mute. This is an important topic which you will learn for even for higher class. So please mute. Listen. So once the sun rays, children listen. Once the sun rays falls on the water, Mithilesh, kindly see who is not muted. I'll just remove them from the class. Who is that, ma? Wait, ma, someone is shouting. No, now can you hear? Okay. So what is water cycle is? Can I listen? See, when the sun rays falls on the water, in the water what will happen is the surface of the water will become somewhat warm. Okay, ma? So the water vapor in the water, it will evaporate and it will go up and it will mix in the air. Okay, ma? Enna aguna river, sea water la irukkullada, and the water வந்து sun rays when the sun rays fall on it, what will happen is the water வந்து evaporate ஆகி மேல வந்து airல mix ஆயிடும். Okay வா? And it will form tiny droplets. Wait, I'll remove that child from the class. Wait, who is that? 1 second, ma, wait. I was repeatedly telling they are not obeying at all. Children, listen. We can't come to each screen and do again and again. You have to obey the online class rules. Mute your mic. You have to sit quietly. Whenever I ask questions or anything, you can answer. Okay. So listen, when the water in the sea or river, it will evaporate and it will move as water vapor. Okay, it will move into the move as water vapor and it will mix with the air and it will form tiny droplets. புரிஞ்சுதா? river இல்லாட்டி sea water என்ன பண்ணுனா அது வந்து sunrays படுறனால அந்த water வந்து warm ஆ இருக்கும், heat ஆ இருக்கும். So அதுல இருந்து water vapor மேல போய் it will go up in the sky. Okay, sky la போட்டு what will happen is it will mix with the air. Air mix ஆகி the clouds will be formed. Okay va? The clouds will be formed and the cloud what will happen is it will be when it becomes so much cool, ரொம்ப cool ஆகும்போது அந்த clouds என்ன ஆகும்னா it will fall out as rain. Okay va? So when the water vapor evaporates and it go up, that process is called evaporation. When the tiny droplets is formed, it will come. Some network issue for you or maybe slow. Okay, you listen. Okay, no issues. So what will happen is when the tiny droplets form ஆகுதுலடா அது வந்து airல mix ஆயிட்டு it will form the clouds. What is that process called? Condensation. Okay va? So the clouds what will happen? It will become bigger and it will come out as rain. Rain கீழ விழுகும். Again it will mix with the water sources and the process will be repeated. That process is called water cycle. I showed them one video. Again I'll share that. The audio of that video will not come because ma'am is sharing in the phone. I'll share that link in the WhatsApp. You can watch it. Okay, ma'am? I'll explain to you. Wait, ma'am. Wait, children. Good morning, now. Why? Okay, we are going to see the video. The audio will not come. Please listen at home. Wait, wait. Okay, wait. Wait, wait. Children, wait, Raj. Wait, 1 second. Can I wait 1 second? Wait 1 second. Wait, I'll take the video first, then I'll present you.
Grass green and it makes your garden grow.
Wait, Kana, I'm sharing. Wait, Kana, I'm sharing. I didn't share. 2 minutes, I'll share my screen. We are going to learn how rain is formed. Kana, it will come, wait. Network may be slow for you. See the sun rays. The sun rays, it will fall on the water. And the water, what happens is, it will evaporate and it will form that process is called evaporation. Water vapor rises and it will form tiny droplets. The water will cool and it will form the tiny droplets. This process it is called as condensation. So what happens is, this water droplets, it will mix with the air and the gases around in the air and it will form the clouds. Once the cloud is bigger, after so much it is cooled, it will come out as rain. Rain droplets will come and it will form in the ground. It will fall in the ground. The rainwater falls again in the river water. Again the process repeated. That process is called water cycle.
You know how the raindrops form and fall. Let's summarize this. Steps of water cycle. Evaporation. The changing of water into a gas is called evaporation. Condensation. The changing of water vapor into water droplets is called condensation. Precipitation. Water falls from the sky in the form of rain, snow, or hail. This process is called precipitation. Collection. Oceans and lakes collect
So when the rainwater comes, it is again collected in the river or sea water.
cycle continues.
So the cycle will continue again and again.
Us for more clues.
That's what?
Ma'am, I wrote somewhere.
Audio will not come down. I'll share it in the WhatsApp. Again you can see. So today, due to some network we had the problem. Okay. So next class I'll teach you the weather and the other topic. Okay. Did you understand the water cycle? Did you understand the water cycle today? Okay children. Thank you. Okay. Thank you children. Okay, da. Wait, I'll take attendance, then you can leave. Wait, I'll take attendance, then you can leave. Kana, I'm there only. Wait, I'm taking attendance. Wait, don't go. I'm taking attendance. Children, I'm there only.
Yes.
Children, wait. Children, wait. I'll take attendance, then you can move. Children. Children, wait. Children, wait. I'll take attendance, then you can leave. Kana, I'll take attendance. 2 minutes, you please wait. I'll take attendance alone, please wait. Today I take only the topic water cycle. I'll send you the homework in the assignment. You can check and do it. Okay? Wait, I'll take screenshot and then you can leave. 2 minutes. Two minutes, then I'll send you it. Okay, children, you can log out. Thank you. Thank you, children. You can log out. Take time. Okay. I took attendance. Thank you, children. You can log out. Ma'am? கேட்கலையா? சரி மேம், ஓகே ஓகே மேம், திருப்பி வெளியில போயிட்டு வரேன். லாக் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்லிருங்க மேம், நான் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டேன். லாக் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்லிருங்க மேம், நான் உள்ள வரேன் திரும்ப.
நான் தான் வந்தேன். நான் 10:10க்கே வந்துட்டேன்.
ஏண்டா?
நீங்க தானே மேம் ஏதோ அதை வந்து அம்மா செல்லுல இருந்து இதுல அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டு வர சொன்னீங்க. யாரு? நான் கேட்டு சாத்த சொன்னாங்க, சாத்திட்டேனே மேம்.